Ethereum continues its distribution phase today. I want to talk to you about both the bullish and bearish scenarios for this coin and how you can profit no matter what happens. Guys, this is crucial. It's the same strategy that this trader down here used to earn 103% profit in 34 days. It's how we've earned 289 successful trade calls and 0 losses. And if you're looking to up your crypto game, you need to watch the future forecast here. We're giving you the full breakdown of our crypto portfolio for the max gains this month. The percentages we hold in all 3 major portfolios plus cash, buy limits, etc. Which coins we store on our ledger for long-term security. You're going to learn the importance of a monthly paycheck take profit portfolio and how to employ that, how much you should sell versus hold during the next bear market, and strong evidence that a 600% move on XRP could be coming next. So if you want to earn some crazy profit, you need to be paying attention to this future forecast video. Watch it as soon as possible, and you can snag a membership at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Today, you and I are going to be trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame. We're trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. What you're seeing right now is the price versus while money flow trending downwards. This means that whales are selling, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And you're going to see that this is actively correlating with a drop in price. At the same time, trades in favor is high, and this means you are watching as downwards momentum begins to push into the market. Upwards momentum has run out. We are rejecting, and you're seeing the price move back to the downside. Plus a sell signal. This is likely where you're going to see an ideal candle exit before a drop. What you're seeing right here is the full bearish trifecta, and most often this will result in major drops in the market. Now that's the case for the bears. In the beginning though, I said we had a case for the bulls as well. What is that going to look like? Sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high. You're seeing another bearish trifecta, but after some sideways movement, the price of Ethereum absolutely skyrocketed. From the absolute bottom here to this top was a 50% move in Ethereum. That is insane. So what gives? What happened? If we head to the weekly time frame, what we're going to see here is that whales were actually buying into the market on the higher time frames. On the weekly, we saw a buy signal, we saw price versus while money flow low, and you saw trades in favor low. This is the opposite of a bearish trifecta. Your buy signal here means you found an ideal candle entry. Price versus while money flow low means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. If you can't beat them, join them. Trades in favor low means that downwards momentum has run out and you're likely to bounce to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, we need to pay close attention. Typically, when we get this combination, it is a massive pump in price. Now, we're not expecting as much of an insane move up. I do still, however, think that there could be a further short squeeze. Now, a short squeeze happens when whale money on larger time frames like this outperforms, not 3-day, 1-day, outperforms retail short trades on lower time frames. This is pretty bearish. Most often this will result in moves down, at least from traditional technical analysis. So a lot of traders are going to be shorting the market at this level. However, if whales buy and move the market up on purpose to liquidate these short traders, it takes a lot of bearish pressure out of the market and allows the price to pump. And on the flip side, short traders who are liquidated try and enter long trades to recuperate those losses, sending the price up even further. So there you have it. We're either about to see a massive short squeeze or a drop to find a higher low formation and then a move up. So what can you do to maximize your profit either way? Well, an entry at this level has the risk of a drop and losing out on money. Waiting until the bottom has the risk of missing out on potential profits. What I propose and what we like to do at Trade Confident, and this is not financial advice. Let me tell you right now, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how we like to do it here at Trade Confident. One could try entering a small portion at this current level and setting buy limits at structure supports, or using the risk management built into the TC top and bottom finder here in order to make the next entry. Now, what we'd like to do here is actually split our investment into 3 equal parts, with the first part entering immediately, second part going to buy limit 1, and the third part going to buy limit 2. And once all buy orders are set, we then set our take profit. The reason we do this is if the price increases above the take profit, that is easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple your original investment. You're going to have so much more money in the market. It is crazy. From there, each buy limit will also drop your break even, and you're going to come into profit faster. All you have to do if a buy limit is hit is use the break even calculator on our website. It's free to members, and adjust the take profit down accordingly. It's absolutely crazy. I actually want to show you how effective this is. We're going to head to the trade setups page and view a recent win. Right here, this Dogecoin trade was called out February 10th, and it hit its 20% take profit May 10th. Now, this did take a little while to win. I'll give you that. But traders won quickly and far more than anybody else would have. You see a buy signal and strong buy signal. You see price versus while money flow low. You see trades in favor low. You're getting ready for a trade. You set up your risk management and your take profit. But what happens? Guys, you see the price drop below buy limit 1 and 2. But you're going to notice the new take profit is below the market order, getting pretty close to buy limit 1. What happened? Well, first off, you doubled and then tripled your original investment. This means that your break even drops and you're going to come into profit much faster than you would have if you had just held from your original market order. This means that anybody that did this, and I'm talking to you, if you were able to do this, not even just in past trades, but what I'm talking about with Ethereum today, this would mean you would be able to come into full profit. This trade won 20% profit far before most traders would have even been in profit at all if they had just held. 20% win or not even in profit yet. I think that's an easy decision. That is the power of this strategy. And I know you want to get access to this. What you're going to want to do to start your trading journey and get off on the right foot is to snag these indicators. Our members can access these indicators for up to $550 off. That is a massive discount, and that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups where we actually called out that Dogecoin trade, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overview, every weekday updates, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom coaching session. All you need to do is head into the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Click the membership link. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab and you're immediately going to save your first $150 off with the coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information. All you have to do from here is click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.